Vijayendra Prasad Garu, who penned the story for Jaguar. It's been a great working experience with Madhav Garu, my director, and everybody, all the senior artists. They have actually supported me a lot. For me, because whatever Jaguar is today is not because of me, because of everybody who has done a great, wonderful job, who has performed so well. That is why probably Jaguar has been noticed today. And as my father told, in Karnataka, it's been a very big hit. And so actually, to be honest, this is a Telugu script which was made to Kannada to make sure. I want to tell you, everybody. It was turned a bit to Kannada nativity later on, but it was honestly, it was a Telugu script initially when it started. And the script, as far as I believe, like the story is the hero of the movie. That is what I believe. And moreover, the technicalities you have been seeing in Jaguar is amazing. All credit should go to my father, who has never looked back in probably his passion towards movie is been showing on Jaguar. And hopefully in future days, I'll give my better performances, and I'll make sure that I'll do Telugu and Kannada both in future days. I need your blessings, everybody. Thank you.
వారితో కథ చెప్పినప్పుడు కథ చాలా బాగుంది బ్రదర్ అంటే సజెస్ట్ చేశాను సార్, దయచేసి తెలుగులో కూడా తీయండి. ఒక్క క్షణం కూడా ఆలోచించలేదు ఆయన, ఒక్క క్షణం కూడా. అట్లాగే బ్రదర్ చేద్దామన్నారు. నా నమ్మకం ఏంటంటే మన తెలుగు ప్రజలు కథ బాగుంటే నటుడు ఏ భాష ఆలోచించలేదు, ఏ ప్రాంతం ఆలోచించలేదు,